In order to properly parallel the generators, you will need a voltmeter of at least 0.5% accuracy. Most digital voltmeters meet this specification. Move the aircraft to an area suitable for run-up. The adjustments for the generator output are here, and they will need to be accessed during run-up. Proper paralleling of the generators is a two-person operation. Using proper flight manual procedures and qualified personnel, start engines. After engines are running and APU disconnected, attempt to bring each generator online. As each generator is brought online, check the aircraft voltmeter indication. If these indications vary significantly, it may be impossible to bring both online. If this is the case, working with one generator at a time, perform a course adjustment of the generator voltage using the aircraft voltmeter. Once both generators have been put on the line, allow them to run for at least 10 minutes to normalize temperatures within the generator and generator control panel units. Engines should be at ground idle, with no additional or unusual electrical loads added for these conditions. After 10 minutes, move both generator switches to the off position. Using the adjacent test jacks, read the voltage of each generator. Working one generator at a time, loosen the lock nut securing the generator voltage adjustment and adjust each generator output to precisely 28.5 volts. Repeat this procedure for the other generator. After both lock nuts have been tightened, recheck voltage for each generator. Move both generator switches to the on position. Check the load sharing between the two generators on the ammeters. Check the voltage indication on the aircraft voltmeter for each generator. Apply additional loads to the electrical system in the form of high current circuits such as the windshield heat, pitot heat, and other similar systems. As each new load is applied, check that the generators continue to share the load evenly. Complete engine shutdown per the appropriate procedures. If abnormalities are noticed, such as improper load sharing, difficulty with bringing either or both generators on the line, or unequal voltage indications, other problems exist in the system. Probably the most common problem that may occur is unequal load sharing. The following actions are some of the most likely corrective actions. 1. Check the continuity of the wire from pin K to pin K of each control panel. Often splices are found in this wire, both from the factory and from repairs in the field. Corrosion or intermittent contact in these splices will prevent equal load sharing by the generator. 2. Check the ammeter and shunt circuits to assure that the load sharing problem is not an indication problem. 3. Swap the control panels and check to see if the problem follows the swap. 4. Swap the generators and check to see if the problem follows the swap. If none of these actions solves the problem, it will then be necessary to do detailed pin-to-pin ring-outs of the circuit.